Hi, this video is about using your iPad and the Notes app to scan documents and turn them into PDFs so that you could upload them to Canvas. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and open the Notes app. Start a new note, and at the bottom you'll see a little plus sign. Click Scan Documents. Now you're just going to take a picture of whatever document you want to upload to Canvas. It'll let you drag the corners and readjust however you want. When you have it ready, you just click Keep Scan. Okay, now you're going to click Save. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on the document and make it bigger. Then we're going to tap the square with the up arrow, the share box, and create PDF. Then we're going to go over here and click Done, Save to File, and it's in Pages. I'm going to go ahead and click Add. Now we're going to go ahead and open our Files app. Make sure that it's saved. There it is right there. Scan today. It gives it a weird name, so I'm going to go ahead and long press on it and rename it. And I'll just name it Morning Work. So 4/23 Morning Work. That way it's easily recognizable. All right, now that we've got it saved on our iPad, we can go ahead and use the Canvas Teacher app to upload it. So I'm going to open up the Canvas Teacher app. And then you just go to the course that you want to put that file in. And then over to the left, it'll say Files. And there's a plus sign. What do we want to do? We want to add a file, upload a file, browse. And where did we put it? We put it in Pages. I mean, it comes up already, 4/23 Morning Work, but if you had to find it, you would click on Pages, 4/23 Morning Work, and it goes ahead and it uploads it right into your Canvas files. Now we're on our iPad, so you switch over to your MacBook or your desktop, and that document would be in your files for you to go ahead and assign to the kids. Thank you.